Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking you on a journey to the enchanting hill station of Pelling in Sikkim, India. First up, we visited the Sidekeong Tulku Bird Park. This hidden gem is an absolute paradise for bird watchers. We walked through the bridge to watch the birds. We spotted colorful pigeons, parrots soaring through the air and showcasing their vibrant plumage. We saw some cute rabbits and black swan as well. Table was beautifully crafted with nice wood and add-on with carvings, flowers, nets, beautiful parrots, some plant hanging and Buddha statue. Gargi clicked many photos there.
બ્રોકોલી છે.
હા એ બ્રોકોલી જેવું જોઈએ છે. હાલ serene atmosphere and the beauty of these creatures made it an unforgettable experience. Next, we ventured to the historical Rabdentse Ruins. This once mighty capital of Sikkim now stands as a testament to the region's rich past. The journey to the ruins begins with an enchanting trek through a dense forest of chestnut and oak trees. The path is dotted with birdsong and occasional clearings that offer stunning glimpses of the valley below. It's about a 20-30 minute walk, but every step is worth it. Rabdentse Ruins, the former capital of Sikkim, offers a glimpse into the kingdom's rich history. Founded in the 17th century, it served as the seat of power for over a century. It is divided into three main sections. The northern wing, believed to be the place where the royal family resided. The southern wing once housed the royal kitchens and other administrative offices. The Chorten complex features stone stupas where prayers were offered, symbolizing the spiritual essence of the kingdom. Once you reach to the top, the view will leave you speechless. The ruins are perched on a ridge, offering panoramic vistas of the hills and the majestic Kanchenjunga range. It is the perfect spot to pause, reflect, and soak in the natural beauty of Sikkim. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more travel stories. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Bye bye.